And amid the big political crisis going on in Karnataka, the Chief Minister H.D. Kumaraswamy seems to be losing his cool and patience. While he was speaking to India today, the Chief Minister said, and I quote, "I would have given a better government if I had a majority of my own. But during a coalition, our vision will not be successfully implemented."
With all that's happening in Karnataka right now, you happen to mention that you had the misfortune of being a chief minister in a coalition government twice.
Yeah, that is the real fact. If I could have, with blessing of Karnataka voters, if I got a clear majority, if I would have given a better government. For that, actually, what is the situation is there, I have told yesterday. That is not a unrealistic issue.
So is there something brewing between the Congress and the JDS?
There is no difference. We are running smoothly the government here. But only during the time of coalition government, whatever our vision was there, is there, it is not going to successfully implement. That is the weakness of the coalition government. On that context, I told that.
And so, do you feel that the BJP's Operation Lotus has succeeded?
That will not going to affect on my government. As per their issue, their leaders' issue, their issue, they can, because of their, they wanted to grab the power. For that, they have unsuccessfully trying to get the seat there. It will not going to helpful to them even in future.
So have you spoken to the two independent MLAs and Congress?
Not necessary, not necessary.
Okay, let's go straight across now to India Today. Shalini Lobo, who had an opportunity to speak to the Chief Minister. Shalini, H.D. Kumaraswamy quite candidly, admitting that, well, he's had to face a lot of challenges. He also sounded rather dejected with the compulsions of coalition politics.
Indeed, Avantika, now this is the second time H.D. Kumaraswamy is as chief minister in the coalition government. First it was with the BJP and now with the Congress. It's just a 7-month government and already there seems to be trouble. Now, even if Operation Lotus or Operation Kamala failed to us in the sense that the BJP did not get the numbers it was looking to get, did not get the 14 MLAs on their side, but it seems to light that the Congress and JDS are having troubles of their own, with the chief minister admitting to us that yes, it would have been better if I had run with a majority government, if I had been a chief minister with a majority, because now what is happening is that as our government is running smoothly, but then again our vision is not being successfully implemented, clearly showing that probably there are hiccups right now in the last 7 months in the JDS Congress camp, and that is coming out into the public right now. Today is a big day for the Karnataka government, especially for the Congress in Karnataka, because they have called their legislative party meet. Now, we have to wait and watch how many MLAs will take part in this, because the Congress has 80 MLAs. They are expecting right now, until yesterday they were saying all 80 will be present, but today in the morning sources in the Congress said that probably 75 MLAs will take part, because the 4 MLAs in Bombay, there's no word of them. Umesh, Ramesh, Mahesh, Nagendra, and of course there's Pradeep God Patil. There's no word from them yet to the media as well. They're not answering calls. The phones are switched off as well. So will they come today? That seems to be a big question. But will that have any impact over the government? Not necessarily, Avantika.
All right, Shalini, we leave it at that. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.